Do you want to get paid to talk on Zoom and also help people at the same time? Then keep watching this video. We have the perfect job for you. During this time of lockdowns, many people feel lonely and just need someone to talk to and need a friend. Our service helps people to connect with each other over Zoom and gives them a virtual social experience. We will pay you for every 30-minute Zoom call that you complete with one of our clients. If you are stuck in lockdown or are a student who just wants an easy part-time job, this is the perfect job for you. The only requirement is that you are a nice person and you take a genuine interest in learning about other people's lives. So apply today by clicking on the link on this video and get paid for helping people. It's one of the most rewarding jobs you will ever experience. Try it and see what it feels like. You will be glad that you did. So apply now by clicking on the link below and start getting paid for doing Zoom calls in your free time and also helping people at the same time.